I'm sure you all are going to love it. It's a pork and bacon skewer made in the air fryer. Super simple. Every time I make it, everyone loves it. It's going to be a hit there. I have here 400 grams of pork tenderloin. I'm going to season it with a seasoning that I like. I think it pairs well with pork, but you can use your own seasoning. I'm going to add a tablespoon of olive oil, the juice of half a lemon, and salt and white pepper to taste. And I'm going to use garlic powder. You can use fresh garlic if you prefer. Use 1 clove of garlic, finely chopped or crushed. Regular garlic works. Season, mix well, and let it sit to absorb flavor. I like to season meat the day before, but if you can't, at least let it marinate for an hour. This pork cut, guys, the filet mignon, is a lean meat. It doesn't have much fat, so it's great for this recipe because the bacon will give us the moisture we need, okay? Now we're going to take each of these seasoned pieces and wrap them in a strip of bacon, okay? I stick a toothpick in, then I adjust and add more toothpicks because when we heat the bacon, it shrinks, so it might come loose or break. We use several toothpicks to hold it in place, then remove them before serving, leaving just one. Now we arrange them in the air fryer basket. Preheat it, then leave it in for 20-30 minutes at 200 degrees. It will depend on the power of each appliance, okay? It might vary a little, so you can open it and check how it's going. If you want, you can also turn the skewers a little so they get evenly golden on all sides. If you want to make it in a conventional oven, preheat the oven to 200 degrees as well. And then you keep turning and checking until it's golden brown, okay?